Back at it again with another vlog.
I know you're gonna stink up this bathroom real quick. We're in the ocean right now. Hey, it is 11:33 p.m. on a Tuesday night.
On a Tuesday.
And we're about to leave. Everything is packed up. We're taking 2 cars. I'm gonna be in the car with my brother and his big old dog. So I can became memory. Okay, wait. I gotta put it down because then I'm gonna get copyrighted. But anyway, it's 12 a.m. right now. It is officially Wednesday. We're not going up on a Tuesday no more.
We're going down on a Tuesday.
We're going down on a Tuesday and we're coming up on a Wednesday. But anyway, I'm gonna drive for a little bit and then we're gonna stop and then we're gonna switch. Guys, look at what car we're taking. The creepy van that we took to LA, if you guys remember that vlog. And in the back we got Ram Dog. Hi Remy! Oh my god, it's scary. He's got the whole back seat to himself. And Big Brother is squished with all my things. Bless you. Baby, no, what's wrong?
I'm tired.
It's hella hot. We finally made it, guys. Back at it again with another vlog.
We're just out here waiting. There's like 10 minutes left until we can actually go inside. Why are you knocking? Enter the code. Made it to the Airbnb. Here's the yard. And there's another house here. Pretty steep. Oh wow. I know what we're gonna be doing at this table.
Okay.
Hurry! We wanna see. Look, and the porch light is on.
Welcome to your vacation.
Oh my gosh! I know you're gonna stink up this bathroom real quick. Oh wow. Imagine if you really lived like this. Oh shit, there's like a step here. Look, the TV's on. Hey, we gotta make sure if anyone can see us. Nope. Oh wow, oh wow. Look, the neighbors. Oh my gosh. I think I just might have to be your roommate. We just went to get food. Everybody else got here. The house has been situated. Where's my mother? Ma, dile hi a mi vlog.
Hola.
So it's a little bit later now. We came to the mall. I have a pretzel. The stores are closing, so I think we're about to leave.
Hi.
And baby Ivan got some new glasses. We came to the store. And we got a lot of groceries to stock up for the week. We're back from the store and everything is put away. We stocked the fridge and the freezer. We got some ice cream. And here is the view. The lights are turned on outside. You can't really see.
Okay, look at the camera. Everybody smile. 1, 2, 3. We're going to Legoland!
We are?
Where are we going?
Legoland?
Yes!
We really
Yes!
are?
Yes! We already have tickets.
It's here.
We're gonna go right now.
My baby hairs are out of control. I never eat this early. It's 8 in the morning. You're finally awake, you hobo. That's all I could eat. I'm getting ready right now. I changed it to my outfit. We're going to Legoland, if you didn't know. Look at all my hair that just came out. Yeah, we're going to Legoland. Apparently it's like a water park. I'm bringing my bathing suit in my bag. I was just doing my skincare routine and I kind of want to do my hair. I just don't think I'll have time. And I broke out so bad on my face. I was just getting so many pimples yesterday. One right here, one right here, one right here. There's even one on my eyebrow. It hurts. I put a patch on it last night though. It kind of went down. It's right here. My back on this couch. No words, just facial expressions. We made it in the park. And I have a pimple on my lip. Ew. Oh my gosh, we waited in that line for like 20 minutes for the stupidest thing ever. We just went around shooting targets.
It's good though.
What the fuck?
Because we're still gonna get high. We're still gonna get high.
I almost got crushed by boxes.
Get ready, latches to the side of your faster.
Whoa, but what?
Keep spinning!
I'm trying to.
You keep spinning! Get off your phone! I'm actually gonna get whiplash.
Let's go the other way.
No! No, keep going! Why are you stopping? You know it's already gonna stop. Just keep spinning. What are you doing? Okay, then go. Let's go the other way. Go. Hurry! Hurry! Hurry!
Hella tiring, cuz.
Go faster! Look, you see? We could have been going faster.
Good job, latches.
We just came to make some designs. Can you guys guess what mine is?
A sandwich?
Why are my glasses like this? I got hella face, no eyebrows, no forehead. I won. We got food. Now we're at the water park. I don't know if you guys can hear me. My feet hurt so bad. We finally got to sit. We got some chairs. You guys, I didn't even show you my outfit. I'm wearing my Vans and my shorts and then my shirt. We just left. There's Legoland behind us. And we got some things at the store. There goes the kids. But we're leaving. We're going back to the house now. Look at Ivan. We're back. And where is the baby? The baby was crawling around. Do you have Bentley? Okay, y'all, so we actually ordered food from an Italian restaurant. We're waiting on some pizza and pasta. Hopefully it's good. We're all gonna be trying this for the first time. And my pimple, yeah, just don't even mind that. We're just waiting on the food. And I think I might be sleeping here tonight because like my brother got a whole nother back house to himself, but like this couch is a futon. I don't know, I think I might have to sleep in here, but it's kind of hot right now. And inside the house is a lot more cooler. I don't want to be dying in here from the heat. The weather actually hasn't even been that bad out here. Tomorrow we're going kayaking and hopefully to the beach. Y'all seen that? I don't know what's going on, but I repented in the name of Jesus Christ. We're in the ocean right now. Hi everybody. I don't know if you can see me, but we're kayaking right now and I got a paddle, so see y'all later. It smells. Ew, did it just throw up? Oh no.
Oh, that guy just shed a tear.
I've seen that.
Oh, you guys see the one coming right underneath us, right in the middle, right there? Whoa! I even got you guys.
This guy. Jump scare. Oh, I look crazy, but I'm doing a face mask right now. Gotta put my hair down because I'm gonna brush it. We came back and I just showered. When I got back, I didn't have the keys, so I had to break into one of the windows and I crawled through there. Anyway, I look like Squidward right now. Tomorrow is the big day. Right now, I'm going to cut my nails. Cuticle oil because I have a lot of cuticles. And I got a cut today from the paddling. Paddleboarding was not my best experience. It's whatever, it was still pretty alright. Here's my hair. Everybody see your ugly ass.
Where?
Right there, bitch. You're ugly. Now I gotta take over. Hi everybody, good morning, it's Saturday. I gotta get ready. It's almost 11 o'clock. We gotta be out of here by 12. I don't know how the frick I'm gonna get ready so fast because I still gotta put on my nails. I didn't even do that last night. I ended up going out with my cousins and my brother. We were just hanging out, having a good time. Haven't seen each other in a while. And I got so sunburned yesterday, you could tell. It's all my forehead and my nose. And I got a freaking pimple this morning. It was actually coming in last night, but I just put a patch on it right now, so hopefully it'll heal before I gotta go.
Now bring it up through the neck loop and down through the loop on the front.
it's 4 p.m. I put on some earrings. I changed my hoop to a heart. It's right there. Oh wait, I have it. We went to the church for the wedding and everybody was so confused. There were like so many rules. Luckily I didn't get dress coded. I haven't even shown you guys my whole dress, my whole outfit, but you'll probably see that in my other video, which I'll be putting up when I get back home. I have like 2 videos that are coming out before this, so you guys have probably already seen them, but it's already the end of July and I was supposed to put those up like weeks ago, and I took off my eyelashes because they looked ugly. I did not like them. They just do not suit me, so I'm gonna put on some other ones. And I was putting my nails on in the church. They just don't make sense, and this one just fell off. Oh, it's right here on my lap. I didn't even want to wear these nails. I was supposed to wear these. These are just not it. So I'm gonna take them off. I'm gonna fix my hair. I'm gonna take these off because I don't really like it. I think I'm gonna take off this necklace just to wear one. And I'm so hungry, I haven't ate. And the party doesn't start until 5 p.m. And I gotta go get my eyelash curler from my mom because she took it. It's 12 o'clock. Birthday boy, yo, yo. Hit me. Boo. Yeah, I look like a mess. So let me update y'all. My hair looks crazy. I put on my nails yesterday and my thumb just fell off. I gotta fix that. I think my thumb fell off. Here's the birthday boy. We went to go visit some of our family that we seen yesterday. We went to their house, we ate, and we made plans. We're going out later. We came back right now because we're going to rest, recharge, reset, and we gotta pack up all of our things so that we don't have to worry about it later or tomorrow because our checkout is at 11 in the morning. But I am going to do my hair. I'm gonna put my nail bag on. I'm gonna go clean up my things. See y'all. I just got home. I'm so tired, you guys, but thank you so much for watching. That was the San Diego vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. And oh my god, yeah, and I have a patch on my eyebrow because a freaking pimple got on there. Like, what the hell? I will see you guys next time. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, and whatever else I say at the end. Okay, I'm tired. I'm gonna go to sleep now. Bye.
I had to poop in there, man.
Love yourself, love yourself, love yourself.